If you can do sales, there's a very good company that is looking for salespeople in Utawala, Njiru, Tasia, Mukuru na Kawangware. Okay, so Utawala, Tasia, Njiru, Mukuru, Kawangware. Okay, hizo nne. Now, if you can work, kampuni inaitwa Ahadi inatafuta watu wa sales. So bora umefika form 4 ndio jaribu. Okay? Na unaishi hizo areas ama uko comfortable kufanya kazi hizo areas Aya, nataka utume CV yako tu career at Ahadi AHADI career at Ahadi Corp CORP malizana.com. So career at Ahadi CORP malizana.com. Okay, deadline is 25th of this month. If you know anybody who doesn't have a job, tell them to try that opportunity. These guys are looking for salespeople. Bora tu unaweza uza, mtu anaweza uza tu.